Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 735. We're opening 4 boxes of certified 12-13 hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended June 8th at 9:29 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 11:29 a.m. Tuesday, June 9th. That's Eastern Time, local time at Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 190, 923, 277. Second box number is 190, 915, 998. Third, 190, 916, 343. And fourth, 190, 919, 012. Again. We've got 5 cards per pack, 10 pack per box, total 4 boxes to open. Adjustment here. First box, certified 12-13 hockey. Ten packs, 1 empty box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We'll do 3 pack bundles and a 4th one last, so we can keep the video under 20 minutes or approximately. Extra careful as always. Here we go. Got a rookie, Ryan Hamilton for Maple Leafs out of 999. Fabric of the game, Scott Clemmensen for Panthers. A small adjustment here in the cleaner. There we go. Out of 999, game used jersey. Tyson Barrie for Colorado. Rookie auto jersey out of 499. Yeah, that's our first bundle. Next 3. Certified star, John Tavares for Islanders out of 999. Got a certified signature, Colton Tubert for Oilers. And last 4 of our first box. Three and 4. Keep it clean and on screen. Oh, we've got a goalie pull, so we'll just put it on top here, not to damage it. And you swing it back in. So Tim Thomas for Boston, goalie pull. We got a parallel card of Michael Backlund for Flames out of 199. Path to the Cup between Devils and Rangers. Card will be randomized at the end of the break between these 2 teams. Masked Marvels, Jimmy Howard with Detroit out of 999. We got a double jersey card with the Flyers and Penguins. So card will be randomized between these 2 teams at the end of the break. For those unfamiliar with this procedure, all the info is available on my description page. That's our first box. Second box. Ten packs, one empty box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. First 3. Certified Stars, Henrik Lundqvist for Rangers. Got a rookie auto, Carter Camper for Boston. Unnumbered, yes it's numbered, sorry. It's hardly 999. Sorry about that. That goes here, that goes here. Immortals, out of 100, Brendan Shanahan. The Blues. Next 3. Fabric of the Games, TJ Oshie for Blues out of 299. Game used jersey. Path to the Cup between Boston and Washington will be randomized. Masked Marvel, Marc-Andre Fleury for Pittsburgh, 999. Got a rookie auto, Colby Roback out of 999 for Panthers. And last 4 of our second box. Another goalie poll. We got Sergei Bobrovsky for Columbus. Columbus logo in the front and in the back. Card goes to Columbus. Certified Stars, Henrik Lundqvist for Rangers out of 999. Fabric of the Games with the die cut game used jersey, Daniel Sedin for Vancouver out of 150. And that's our second box. Third box, I'd like to mention that we got 6 box breaks ending tonight between 8 and 10:30 p.m. More appeal all the time. Box breakers. We've got some totally certified 2-box 1314. We've got some Upper Deck SPK Muse. We got 10 pack and an empty box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 3. We've got some Upper Deck Ultimate Collection 2-box break 1314 and a titanium 4-box. So more than 12 box that ends tonight on box breakers. Okay, here we go. Third box, first 3 packs. Clean up here. Clean and on screen. Here we go. Parallel card for Ducks, Jonas Hiller out of 199. Next three. That one's a little thicker. It doesn't look like a cardboard. Pat to the Cup. Devils against Panthers for the end of the break. And base. Knew we had something. Haha. Let's leave this. It's Martin Biron for Rangers. And it's a patch out of 25. It's a nice hit for Rangers. Okay, here we go. Oh, dual auto. Dion Phaneuf and Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Nice hit. So the card will be randomized. Let's leave this right away. Card will be randomized between Toronto, and Edmonton. Nice hit. I'll put it aside with the rest for the end of the break. Okay, let's go back. So last 4-pack of our third box. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The clean and on screen. Here we go. Sidney Crosby, Certified Stars out of 999 for Pittsburgh. Certified Signature, Harry Zolniastik. Sorry about that. For Flyers. And we got a rookie, Ryan Hamilton from Maple Leafs out of 999. And a Certified Stars with a die-cut jersey, Alexander Burrows for Vancouver out of 150. And that's our third box. Okay, let's do a fourth. Then one empty box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. First three. Sorry for the noise. The other office here has a loud speakerphone. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Parallel card out of 199. Rick Nash for Rangers. Nice thick one to start with. 1, 2, 3. Second one, and this extra thick one. Let's see what we got. Okay, so, I knew it. Oh wow, this is nice. This is nice. Let me get a sleeve. It's a Sidney Crosby patch. Wow. Nice hit. Card is out of 25. Card number 9. Beautiful. Beautiful card. Love the color. So, here we had something special. Okay, on with the break. Mask Marvels, Mike Smith for Coyotes. And Path to the Cup between Kings and Blues for the end of the break. Almost there. We got our last 4-pack. Here we go. 1, 3, and 4. A little cleanup. Here we go. Certified Stars, Rick Nash. For Rangers, got the Rangers logo on the back, and here, traded to Rangers in the corner here. Double jersey card between Senators and Rangers, 3 randomized, another one. And we're got a rookie auto, Brendan Manning, out of 999 for Flyers. Fabric of the Games, game used jersey, Nathan Gerbe. For Sabres, out of 299. And that's our 4-box. Okay, we'll do a quick recap of our hits. Quite a few. But before we do, we've got some cards to be randomized. Let's just sort them out. Okay, so double jersey card, Path to the Cup, and an auto. Path to the Cup, Path to the Cup, double jersey card, another Path to the Cup, and the cup. So, put them together. We have 4 of these, 2 of the jerseys, and 1 keeper for last, double auto. So let's just get to my screen. I'm already set up with random.org, like always. So random.org under the list randomizer. So first card we're randomizing is between Devils and Rangers, Bernier and Kreider. So Devils and Rangers. Randomize 3 times. Team that's on top the 3rd time wins the card. Here we go. Randomize once. We've got Rangers on top. Again, we've got Devils on top. And a 3rd time, we've got Devils on top. So Devil wins this card. Next, between Boston and Caps. So Chara and Green. First, get a new list. First on card is Bruins and Caps. Randomize once, twice, 3 times. Got Caps on top. Caps wins this card. Next, Devils and Panthers. Sajak and Samuelson. New list. Devils. First on card. And Panthers. Randomize once, 2 times, 3 times. We've got Panthers on top. Panthers wins this card. And last of the regular Path to the Cup, Kings and Blues. We've got Richard and Allen. So new list. So Kings and Blues. Randomize once, 2 times, 3 times. Yeah, randomize 3 times. Blues wins this card. Okay, we're at the jerseys. First one between Flyers and Penguins. Between Voracek and Letang. Oops, a little higher. First on card, Flyers. New list. Flyers and Penguins. Here we go. Once, twice, 3 times. We have randomized this list 3 times. Flyers wins this card. Voracek, Letang, double jersey card. Second and last double jersey card. Senators, Rangers between Spezza and Girardi. A little higher. First on card, we've got Senators and Rangers. Here we go. Randomize once, twice, 3 times. Send netters. So Rangers wins this card. We have randomized this list 3 times. Rangers gets the double jersey card of Spezza and Girardi. And now last, our dual auto card out of 100, by the way. 28 of 100. So Fedef is first on card, then Hopkins. So Toronto first, and then Oilers. Same thing in the back. We've got Toronto first on card, then Oilers. So get a new list. So we've got Leafs and Oilers. Here we go. Randomize once. Leafs is on top twice. Leafs still on top, and a 3rd time. Leafs wins the card. You randomize this list 3 times. So for FNF, Toronto wins this card. Now for a quick recap, as promised. Let's get organized here. We will go through the Path to the Cups auto jerseys that we just went through. But all set up to do these. Here we go. Jersey card for Sabres, auto Flyers. Beautiful, beautiful patch card. Sidney Crosby out of 25. Beautiful. Jersey card for Canucks. Auto for Flyers. Patch card, Biron. Rangers out of 25 also. Another card for Canucks. Jersey card. Do a second pile for crumbles down. Okay, goalie pull for Flyers. Rookie auto for Panthers. Jersey card for Blues. Rookie auto for Boston. Goalie pull for Bruins. Auto for Edmonton. Rookie auto for Avalanche. Jersey card for Panthers. So that concludes our break number 735. Be sure to check out our box breaks tonight between 8 and 10:30. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.